We all hear of warehouses getting automated and companies increasingly adopting solutions to make their supply chains faster and more efficient. To find out how exactly these businesses are transforming warehouses to be more futuristic, NDTV Profit visited what's touted to be the world's largest mobile robot manufacturing facility, Addverb's Botverse in Greater Noida. Addverb inaugurated the 15-acre facility in early 2023. The plant can manufacture 1 lakh robots per year and at present produces around 14 types of robots. All the robots provide warehouse automation solutions for businesses. We spoke to Addverb's co-founder Satish Shukla as he explained the different types of robots there are.
One would be static robots. Typically, you have articulated robots or SCARA robots. Articulated robots resemble like a human arm and are used in automotive industry extensively for welding applications, are also used for pick and place applications. Then you have a second category called mobile robots, which are basically robots that can move your material from one place to another where we have significant presence. The third category typically could be a collaborative robot.
Where can one find the use cases for such mobile robots?
So it could be warehouses where you have to store material, you have to perform picking operations, sorting operations. The application could also be in factories where you have to move your raw material, intermediate goods or finished goods from different assembly zones or from different manufacturing areas or to storage areas.
NDTV Profit then took a demo of 2 mobile robots on the Botverse shop floor. We saw their rail-guided vehicle, which is currently deployed at Indian Oil facilities, and Zippy, their rapid-moving mobile robots.
Wherever you have pallet storage operations, you store it in automated storage and retrieval systems, which allow you to store pallets on height. And whenever these pallets are retrieved from there and need to go to a place like a docking area or need to go to a manufacturing area, you can have rail-guided vehicles. So Zippy here basically moves on QR codes based on the ground, and the fleet communicates with each other with the help of a fleet management system.
While Addverb's revenue growth has been impressive, with a 450 crore top line for FY23, India's robot manufacturing prowess is still behind countries such as China, Japan, and the US. Hardware still is largely replicable, and legacy players such as ABB and Universal Robots carry an edge. Then how does Addverb distinguish itself?
Robots hardware is just an element of a robotic solution. Entire solution has to be designed. How your material will get stored in the warehouse, how it will get retrieved. You need to find the right mix of robotic application and enterprise software. We definitely get an edge whenever we go outside India. People assumed, okay, these guys know their software.
Going ahead, Addverb, which is backed by marquee investors such as Gale and Reliance Industries, plans to foray aggressively into international markets and sees overseas revenue becoming larger than its domestic client-driven revenue.
Going forward in next 2 years, we expect almost 60% of our revenue to come from outside India and 40% of our revenue to come from India. The next 3 months are typically very hectic months for us. That's the most busiest period. In all probabilities, we should reach somewhere around 500 crore. That's the kind of top line growth we are targeting.
This was NDTV Profit's visit to Addverb's Botverse, touted to be the world's largest mobile robot manufacturing facility. It is a Series B startup founded right here in India with a product mix that is increasingly going international with aspirations of a 500 crore top line in FY24.